Did you hear about this new bill that California passed where illegal immigrants get 0% financing and up to $150,000 for a new home? Isn't that... Democrats have approved this. I don't know about you, but it took me, I'm 42, and it's taken me a very, very, very long time to save up enough money to work my butt off and save up enough money to be able to get a down payment on a home. And I have an extremely, well, not extremely, but I have a crappy interest rate because I bought my home last year and the economy is crap thanks to you-know-who, Democrats in the office. So what is it gonna take? My thing is, what if Kamala gets into office and this kind of stupid decision making gets on a national level, okay? And America cannot afford this. America cannot afford for these things to happen. Wake up, people. This is bullcrap. Wow. Infuriates me.